Hi, boys and girls. Let's get going with our reading. Today, we're just going to practice reading our passage and answering our questions. All right. First, I want you to listen to me as I read the passage Polar Bears. Polar bears. Polar bears are large mammals that live in the Arctic. It is very cold there, so polar bears have thick fur and a layer of fat under their skin called blubber to keep them warm. A male polar bear can grow to be 10 feet tall and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Polar bears are very good swimmers. They climb up on sea ice to watch and hunt for seals, their main food source. Polar bears do not live and travel in groups. They live most of their lives alone. Polar bear cubs will stay with their mother for about 2 years. After that, they will live on their own. There are not any animals that hunt polar bears except people. There are many laws now to protect polar bears from being hunted because there are only about 20,000 left in the world. All right, boys and girls, I want you to pause the video and I want you to read polar bears 2 times so that you will have 3 checks in the box. Go ahead and do that, and when you're ready for your questions, press play. All right, ready for the questions? Okay. First, get your red crayon. The first question is, how do polar bears stay warm? Go back up into the text, find the sentence that tells you about that, and draw a red line under it. Then come back and write your answer on the line. Press pause while you're doing that, and when you're ready for the next question, press play. Okay, the next question you'll need your orange crayon for. How long do polar bear cubs stay with their moms? Again, take your orange crayon, go up into the text, find the answer, underline the sentence that has the answer, and then come back to your questions and write the answer on the line. Press pause while you're doing that, and when you're ready to move on to the next question, press play. All right, the next question you're going to need your green crayon for. Why are there laws to protect polar bears? Take your green crayon, go into the text, read until you find out why there are laws to protect polar bears. Underline with your green crayon, and write the answer on the line. Press pause while you're doing that. Press play when you're ready to move on. All right. In the box over here, this small box, it says, if you had to swim in very cold water, how would you keep yourself warm? Go ahead and tell me, what would you do to keep yourself warm if you had to swim in very cold water? Press pause while you're writing your answer. Press play when you're ready for the very last question. All right, here's the last one. They want us to make an inference. That means they're not going to give us the answer. We have to use clues from the text to help us figure out the answer. And they want us to use a yellow crayon to circle words or phrases in the passage that gave us the clue. It says, why do you think no other animals hunt polar bears? Let's look in the passage and see if we can find anything that might tell us that. Well, it says in the first paragraph, A male polar bear can grow to be 10 feet tall and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. I wonder if that's a reason why no other animals hunt them. They're very big, very tall, and they weigh a lot. They're probably bigger and stronger than most other animals. Go ahead, circle that sentence or circle the words in that sentence, and then write your answer on the last line. When you're done, turn this into the green bin. Great job today.